In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Airtable base with others. Whether you're collaborating with your team, providing access to clients, or setting up shared workflows, sharing your Airtable base effectively is crucial. This method is ideal when you want to give access to the entire base, ensuring everyone has the information and tools they need to contribute efficiently. Let's dive right in by opening your Airtable base. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface. You'll notice a share button prominently displayed there. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to giving others access to your base, and it's a pretty straightforward process. When you click share, you'll be prompted to enter email addresses. This is where you decide who you want to share the base with. Whether it's your team members, clients, or other collaborators, make sure you type in the correct email addresses to reach the right people. It's important to double check that everything is accurately entered to avoid any access mishaps. Next, you'll be asked to choose the permission level you want to assign to each person. This step is crucial as it defines what the invitees can do within your base. You have several options to consider: read-only, commenter, editor, and creator. If you select read-only, the person can view the information but won't be able to make any changes. This is a great option for clients or stakeholders who just need to see the data. Choosing the commenter role allows someone to add comments, which can be useful for collaborative discussions without altering the base itself. Opting for editor grants more control, giving the person the ability to modify existing content and potentially contribute new information. Finally, the creator permission is the most comprehensive, allowing the individual full access to create new tables, fields, and everything else. Consider what each person needs to do with the base and set the permission levels accordingly. Once you've entered the emails and selected the permission levels, the final step is to click on Invite. As you click that button, invitations will be sent out to the individuals you've specified, and they'll receive an email notification alerting them to the fact that they've been granted access to your Airtable base. All that's left is for them to accept the invite and start collaborating with you. By following these steps, you've successfully shared your Airtable base, paving the way for seamless collaboration. Remember, clear communication and thoughtful permissions go a long way in ensuring a smooth working process for everyone involved. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.